10 Lessons from the Bhagavad-Gita, Finding Purpose and Meaning in Life. 1. Dharma as your purpose. Discover and fulfill your unique role in the world. 2. Service to others. Find meaning in helping others and contributing to society. 3. Detach from outcomes. Focus on the journey, not just the destination. 4. Living in the moment. Appreciate the present and find joy in the ordinary. 5. Overcoming challenges. View obstacles as opportunities for growth. 6. Embracing change. Accept life's transitions and find new paths. 7. Cultivating gratitude. Appreciate the blessings in your life. 8. Balancing material and spiritual. Seek a harmonious life. 9. Leaving a legacy. Make a positive impact on future generations. 10. Connection to the divine. Experience a deeper sense of purpose through spirituality.